Now let us talk about the interesting concept which we discussed earlier, and it was the factory gate pricing, FGP. We actually discussed the proper definition of factory gate pricing. In procurement world today, this is becoming very important as well. So FGP is actually important. It's becoming important now in order to actually minimize the logistical costs associated with the product. This is sometimes also referred to as purchasing on an X work basis. That means work is done without any transportation. If raw materials are being sourced from a variety of locations, whether it is on a national, continental, or global scale, then there may be a possibility of removing some of the associated transport costs by employing a third party to coordinate this process. So what buyers do, if they have a global scale or a global supply chain, they will actually ask their manufacturers to give them an FGP, not FOB. And they will ask some third-party logistical services for the transportation. In this way, they would know what was the cost for that factory. Another way of removing cost from the inbound side of a business is to use the vehicle delivering finished good to collect from suppliers. That is, that you provide the vehicle to the supplier or the manufacturer, rather than asking them to board your consignment. So, FGP is an emerging thing, and global supply chains, global logistics, actually the companies which are involved in the global supply chains, which are the part of a global supply chain, they are more towards like factory gate pricing rather than having a price which is till boarding. Thank you.